Hi, my name is Kenneth Hunter. I'm the Vice President of Sales for the Americas with InHand Networks. InHand Networks is an industrial cellular manufacturer of routers, IoT, M2M equipment. Overall, we're the third largest in the world by quantity, according to Berg, and we do roughly 500,000 devices per year. As far as industries, we serve a very broad range of industries, being an IT manufacturer, but with Rockwell Automation, our specialty lies in supporting distributed automation that's going to be nationally or globally. Our specialty has always been enabling the connectivity, whether it be for remote access, edge computing, distributed automation, where you're not going to be able to use that local network like in a factory. That's what we specialize in. Really, what differentiates InHand, our focus is on our three cornerstones: rugged, reliable, and secure. InHand Networks is probably one of the few industrial cellular IoT manufacturers that we don't contract manufacture. Our products are built in our own factories, and that means that quality and control is completely reliant upon our own personnel. So in our industry, traditionally you want to be at less than a 1% failure rate for your IT equipment, and the way you do that is by building your own equipment. Additionally, our company was founded by engineers, mostly from many of the top name companies, Rockwell actually being one of them. And we've been able to maintain roughly 33% of global employment at our multinational company that's exclusively in R&D. So what you'll find is that at InHand Networks, we'll take on and design customized projects, and we'll customize equipment to meet the needs of our ever-changing industries.